Hola amigos and amigas. Happy New Year, my friends. Let us welcome this brand new year with a bang and a thrill. We live in the 21st century and everything around us is modernized. So it is not surprising then that online selling would be the top and most legit income for most people next year. More and more people are using social platforms to sell their goods and services. People earn a living from vlogs, content writing, video editing, and online selling of goods. And they're even working remote jobs. Online selling is a competition. Therefore, you have to strategize what services you intend to sell uniquely. And then you want to focus on who to market your content to. Remember, most people are already taking advantage of selling their things online and using online platforms. So, as a Feet content creator, make sure that you are taking advantage of how you can earn more money online. In online selling, feet buying and selling platforms have become a trend already. A number of people have slowly embraced the idea of feet buying. And so, it's no longer surprising that some people are doing great. They're doing great business in feet pictures. The best thing to consider is to have well-thought content, something that people will like, something that people can relate to, something that deals with the same interests as other people who love feet. So, you might ask, what is so nice about feet buying and selling? What is so great about the feet buying and selling business? You sell your asset. Therefore, you have all of the resources to flaunt what you have. It is not surprising that the feet buying and selling business will soon dominate online selling years from now. So, if you're game for it, it's time to put your best feet forward and take the initiative to do your content research, get some useful tips, and watch some instructional videos. Remember, consider yourself the best asset so that you can market yourself well. Are you still in doubt? Well, then go to FeetFinder.com and start marketing your feet. If you've not watched our previous videos, I suggest please watch them. They're fantastic, and they're going to teach you how you can earn as much money as you can possibly imagine. Our previous video will guide you on how to start your FeetFinder journey and how to make your profile on top among other sellers. Also, our previous videos posted on our channel will help you get higher chances of earning more. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel to learn more creative ways to sell your feet and make money. Well, that's it for today's video. So, if you want to ask, how can I quickly earn money online? Let me know in the comment section below, and I will be happy to answer them for you. Plus, give me a shout out too, and I might give you one back. Feel free to subscribe to this channel and learn more about FeetFinder and its legitimacy. I am wishing you a happy and healthy exploration into whatever turns you on.